Alright guys, welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel. In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to go to a Cars and Coffee. As you guys can see, we are still in the healing process. We are getting better, we're moving a little bit better. I don't believe I'm supposed to be driving, but we gotta get out. I've been cooped up in the house for so far 2 months. I need to get out. I need to go film some content for you guys. So let's go ahead and get after it. So we made it here, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to homie Brandon. He was at work and bro pulled up because he seen my Tacoma and was like, hey yo, what's up? We were sitting here in my car, or my truck, because we're waiting for John to pull up on his motorcycle because he wanted to park in front of my truck for like safety, you know, keep his bike safe, protected, whatnot.
Can't believe you're at the house, dude.
I know, bro, I can't believe it either. Look at this, guys. We got Jay. He is still riding, ladies and gentlemen. He is still dedicated to the cause, even though his boy is down bad. Got this clean Porsche, bro. I'm gonna get copyrighted. This is crazy. Yeah, John and Cena. In the room. Look at this, brother.
I'm grabbing my boss since you ain't got any.
Hey, yo. Camion. Yeah. How many bucks are doing that leg, though? Dang, look at this guy. Look at this fancy guy. I thought you would be with Jose. Look at this fancy guy.
What's up? What's up?
Fucking doors up. Damn, my battery already about to die, bro.
Yeah. It's all good.
I'm trying to live in the moment, but I want to record the moment so I can relive the moment. That's the whole thing, brother.
Yeah, I know it's loud. What's up? What's up? How you doing, bro? Glad to see you moving, bro. Yeah.
Guys, and as you guys can see, we are now back. Sorry if my throat's still messed up. When I was intubated for the surgery, it was messed up. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys want to see more content like this, and let me know if you guys want to see more of Cameron and Ruben and Cena and all the other homies we have not seen on the channel in a while. And obviously you guys have not seen them in a while, and they have different cars now. As you guys saw, they got the McLaren, the 400Z wide body, which Ruben also has a GTR.
And then Siena's got his Miata BMW and as well as that wagon BMW. And then Cameron's got his McLaren and his Supra. So comment down below if you guys want to see more videos with them. And we'll go ahead and try to make that happen. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video.